Orji Uzor Kalu, a symbol of betrayal in Igbo land. I had considered writing an open letter to Orji Uzor Kalu, but I changed my mind. Open letters are for people capable of reasoning, people who still possess a sense of logic and integrity. Orji Uzor Kalu, unfortunately, has long drifted far from both. Politics has eaten him hollow. Recently, he opened his mouth to claim that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is responsible for the death of 30,000 Igbo people across our land. When I hear politicians, especially those whose hands are soaked in the sorrow of our people, speak as though they care, I shake my head and wonder why a revolution hasn't swept through Igbo land to chase out men like him. Let's be honest, Orji Uzor Kalu is one of the chief architects of the destruction that plagued Abia State for over 25 years before Alex Otti emerged. He weaponized the Bakassi boys, and countless innocent people died. He allowed Aba to collapse into a state worse than hellfire. For over 3 decades, he has remained perched at the top of the food chain, feeding fat while Ndi Igbo suffer. It was this same man who opened Abia's doors to Fulani herdsmen, especially in Lokpanta, where they have since kidnapped, terrorized, and maimed our people. Yet he still parades himself as a lover of Igbo land. How? A man who handed over the land of his people just to curry favor from outsiders? Today, everything Orji Uzor Kalu does is aimed at pleasing Tinubu. And sadly, this has become the tragic identity of many Igbo politicians. They lack honor. An Igbo politician will betray his own people just to gain acceptance from a Fulani or Yoruba political godfather. Throwing Ndi Igbo under the bus has become a strategy for political survival. So let it be said plainly, Orji Uzor Kalu should be quiet. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did not kill our people. The government did. The political class did. Men like Orji Uzor Kalu did. It was this same political machinery that removed an elected governor, Emeka Ihedioha, and installed Hope Uzodimma, someone whose presence in Imo has only deepened bloodshed, only for the blame to be pushed toward IPOB and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But truth has a way of resurfacing. In time, our people will understand how Imo State was manipulated, how lives were wasted, and how the blame was diverted to suit political narratives. Time will reveal everything. Written by Eagle Eye. Published by Family Writers Press International.